In this video, we will be learning how to use morpher and volume select modifiers to adjust the height of the buildings in a gradient, similar to Zaha Hadid's urban planning style. Add an extrude and morpher modifier to the building footprints, as created in the last video. Set the height of the building to the tallest required building height. Then change the view to perspective to view. Go into the morpher modifier above the extrude and select Capture Current State. Name it to Tall. Go back into the extrude modifier and change the height to the shortest required building height. Then go back into the morpher modifier and select the second empty slot. Then choose Capture Current State and name it to Short. You can drag the amount next to the Tall modifier to change between the two states gradually and adjust the building height. Add a volume select modifier below the morpher modifier. Then go into the Create tab and create a sphere. This will be used as the selection tool. Move the sphere above the area of the suburb that you wish to increase the height of. Select the suburb object, then go into the volume select modifier, change the stack selection level to vertex to adjust the height of the building by using its vertices, and change the select by to mesh object. Choose none and select the sphere in the viewport. Turn on soft selection and adjust the fall off to select the buildings within a certain range of influence around the sphere based on distance. This is visible by the gradient color of the vertices. Now go into morpher and increase the tall state to the desired height to view the effect. You can adjust the height and scale of the sphere to change this effect. To add another morpher modifier and capture the current state. Save it as previous. Then select the sphere from earlier and move it to the next part of the suburb that is to be affected to increase the heights there. Back in the new morpher modifier, choose the second empty state. Capture the current state and save it as new. Add another volume select modifier below the new morpher and move the sphere back to its initial location. Then go into the Create tab and make a second sphere over the area that is to be edited where the first sphere was earlier. Select the suburb and go into the new volume select and change the stack selection to vertex and set the select by to mesh object, choosing the new sphere. Choose soft selection and adjust its fall off. Then go into the new morpher and increase the amount next to new to increase the building height in that area. To add a third morpher, repeat the same steps as for the second morpher.